So this will hook up just like any other actuator, correct? It's standard wiring and everything?
Yep, standard wiring. We put the same wire color so there's no confusion. So installation is simple.
So same amount of power going through. Now, where we see it down line on the brakes, do we see a difference in that, even with the same voltage going through?
Yeah, so based on testing that we did, our unit actually at the same amount of voltage will produce 12% more pressure at the same amount of power.
And that's just from a more efficient pump design, I would assume.
More efficient pump, more efficient motor, and just overall design of the unit itself.
Being able to be in these trainings and get training from Russell and other vendors, we've really got to see the people that stand behind their products. And you guys are definitely proud of your product, and in the best way, you support it as well. And how does that translate to the people at home?
Yeah, for your neighbors at home, we back our product 100%. We have a no-hassle warranty. We have a quick 3-step troubleshooting guide that's available on our website, or they call us and we'll walk them through it. But if we ever find out, it's 3 steps. If our unit fails any one of those 3 steps, we will have a new unit out to you, typically same day, and we'll have a prepaid return address label emailed to you to send the old one back to us. No muss, no fuss.
That's awesome. You can be back on the road in no time.
Yep, exactly. And that's what's important to us, is getting our neighbors back on the road.
Thank you, Russell. Appreciate it.